is Colorado. Anybody there? Or Alabama? Anybody in Alabama? Mississippi, New Mexico. Anybody in Canada? Anybody in Finland?
Anybody anywhere. Yeah. Excuse me. He was about 5 dB over S9 when I tried to work him. I've been working a handful of these guys, these contesters, just for fun. And I don't even bother logging those contacts. It's fun. And I tried calling this guy repeatedly when he was 5 dB over 9, and he refused to call me back. He refused to work me. And it's not like I was in a pileup, because he'd then call CQ. And I'd call him again, and he'd call CQ again. I was thinking, dang, man, he must be running about 1,500 watts in a Yagi. And I thought about it, and it's like, no, scratch the Yagi. Because if he had a Yagi and if he had a directional antenna and it was pointed at me, he'd certainly have heard me. The rig's set to 100 watts. He was 5 over 9. If he had a Yagi, I'd been about S7 in his receiver, and he certainly should have been able to hear that. If I had a moment, I'd turn the power down to 10 watts and try to work him with QRP. And I guarantee you I could. 100 watts doesn't get the job done. 5 will, almost every time. You'll be seeing more about that in the future, but I'm talking about 1 watt in the future, max. 100 milliwatts or 1 watt, and I'm going to work people. You'll see. Sorry about being an arrogant dick, but yeah, that's my plan. CW, single sideband. I'll even work 10 meter FM using 100 milliwatts. Wait and see. It's going to be fun. You know why? Because this is my last chance. Cycle 25, this is my last time to attend the party. I'll be lucky if I'm here at Christmas time. I plan to party in Cycle 25. I hope you will too. Bye, guys. I was listening to Katie for BBG and KC for TVZ. Those are some calls. They're a POTA team. And I was just listening to him work the stations, working the boys. And some guy keys up with CW and sent the same thing repeatedly, over and over again. Every now and then he'd send in CW. His name is Turd. Turd. His name is Turd. Turd? At least it's a nice word. Kinda, I think, sorta.